A significant advantage of Jablotron products is the extended service warranty, which lasts up to 7 years if all the conditions are met. For a number of products, the service involves immediate replacement, which makes it much easier to rectify the problem for the customer. If you need help with installing or maintaining your system, you can turn to our technical support. Professional training for Jablotron security systems is currently available in a face-to-face or online format. It is intended for existing and new installation partners and is used to gain basic or deepen professional knowledge about the system. The certificate you receive after completing the course is valid for 2 years. The following recertification training extends this period for another 2 years. Become part of the Jablotron family and get all the benefits of working with us. Sign up for Jablotron training today.